Unboxing and hands-on of the new Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 2024 tablet for Malaysia. You get the tablet itself, a USB cable and an 88W Huawei charger. You also get an improved 3rd Gen pencil stylus and a smart magnetic keyboard case of unique design. The keyboard is detachable and has a touchpad to like a laptop. The MatePad Pro 13.2 2024 is just 5.5 millimeters thin and weighs just 500 grams. It features a 13.2-inch 120Hz OLED display, the new Kirin 9000 CPU, 12 GB RAM and a 512 GB SSD, coming soon to Malaysia.